Welcome back, guys. So we are now doing...
It's our winner reveal for our competition time.
So this is for the Adventure Overlander and International Campervan show. It's the early spring edition. Oh, they're noisy. It's for the early spring edition, which is from, I believe, the 4th to the 6th of June. So yep. These tickets allow you to arrive on the Friday from 1 o'clock. You can camp for 3 nights till the Monday, and it gives you access as well to the show on the Saturday and Sunday. Now, just to give you a little bit more information, if you do want to go earlier, you can actually arrive from the Tuesday, and I believe they're charging £10 per night, so you could do Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday for an extra 30 if you wanted. We have got our little helper here.
Ready and prepared.
So
she is blindfolded, she can't see a thing through that, and we have given everybody a number, haven't we?
Yeah, so you may have noticed on the comments that we had you guys do that in our reply. We've given each and every single one of you a number, just to make it easier for us to manage. So all those numbers have been written down, cut up, and are currently sat in the hat waiting for Amelia.
Yeah, can I just say, the hat was kindly donated for this competition by Amelia, so it was only fair that she got to choose the winner. But she's sitting there patiently blindfolded, so we're going to get her to pick the number out.
Let's get this done. Amelia, would you like to pick a number and pass it to Daddy?
Go on then, give it a little swirl around.
Give it a spin.
And just pick one.
Alright, we got our number, give it to Daddy. Thank you very much. So the winner's been selected.
Let's have a look then. Let's have a look.
And the number is
number 2.
Number 2. So we haven't got the names written down on each and every single one of them. That would have taken us ages.
Yeah.
So number 2, you have won. We're just gonna go find the name and we'll be right back. Okay, so we've just checked the comments and the winner is Amy Fullwood.
Congratulations,
so,
Amy.
Well done. Our email address is in the description below. So Amy, if you could send us an email
with your details
to contact us, and we'll make arrangements for you to get these tickets.
Congratulations.
Well done.
Amazing, yeah.
So in the future, we would love to do more of this, guys. We want to totally give back to you lot, and we need your help to do that.
So guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do hit the button. If you haven't got a YouTube account, go get one. It's absolutely free. You can download it off your phone, and it really does help our channel grow, and it gives us more opportunities to do things like this. So we've really enjoyed it, haven't we?
Yeah, we've
brilliant.
had good fun. You guys have had a bit of fun along the way. And
just being able to chat to you as well and see how many of you are watching our videos, it's just really humbling, isn't it?
Yeah, we're like, oh, if we get about 20 entrants, 115 entrants.
Couldn't believe it, could we?
That was good. It was really good fun. So
thanks for entering if you did.
And if you are still coming to the show, we are in Camp Creator this year. Come and say hello. We'd love to meet you.
Yeah, we've got some free stickers, haven't we?
There's so many names we'd love to put faces to as well.
Yeah, we've got some people who like to comment quite regularly, so we feel like we've got to know you.
Yeah, and we want to meet you.
Yeah, we want to meet you. We want to meet all of you, to be honest. Every single one of you that comment, because it's just lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. But anyway, until next time, guys.
We'll see you in a bit.
Ta-ra, guys.